This is the Amaran Apurture P60c RGB light, and in today's video I am going to unbox it, turn it on, and see how it does. If you are in the market for a light like this and you end up liking it, there will be links down in the description below for you to check it out for yourself. But I have been looking to improve my lighting situation for quite some time, and I really had two goals in mind. One, get better lighting, and two, get lights that take up less space, because currently I have these gigantic lights in my studio that take up a ton of space. They are cumbersome, they are large, and it gets to be a lot. So that is why I opted for this. Now, I did some research and it had all of the things that I wanted to have in a light. I wanted something that was small and compact. I wanted something that was powerful, but I didn't need it to be this kind of massively bright, crazy thing, because it's gonna be pretty close to my face, about 4 or 5 feet away or less. And so everything pointed me to this. So let's take a look at it and see how we like it. All right. Seems like the light is in this nifty bag, which is cool. And then this, I think, is going to end up being the little thing that goes in front of the light. And this is the thing that goes in front of the light. Let's see what this is. I think this is probably the, yes, this is the diffuser. Now it's all starting to make sense. So let's go ahead and cut in to this. Let's open all this up. I will say their packaging is very intentional because it's minimalistic, no foam in there at all. Everything is wrapped up in the bags that it comes in, which is kind of nice. So this is the light right here. Ooh, very cool. This looks really nice. It's got some weight to it, which kind of matters to me. Here's why. A lot of times people will say, oh, it's lightweight, that's great. I want to feel something. I want to feel some weight. I want to feel some substance. I want to feel like there's something in here that is heavy. All right. On the back, there are the numbers, preset 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's also the CCT and hue, and the G/M and SAT. You want to keep your SAT scores high. And then some other things. We'll learn how to do all that as we go along. This bag is like this. There was the power cord here and a mechanism for connecting it here. This is the one thing in the reviews I read that some people didn't love these. Didn't feel like they were of the highest quality, but we'll see. You know, let's be patient and let's keep an open mind. And then this is the rest of the power cord situation. I am going to attach it to a stand. So this screws in right there at the base of the light, right at the bottom. And then it's gonna go in here. This was a complaint of some people that this wasn't all that sturdy. And the good news is that can be replaced if it ends up being an issue. But initial impressions are that it's not gonna be an issue, at least as far as I can tell. It's fine. I'm not gonna move it all that much. So there's a power button back here. Ooh, okay, very cool. All right, so let's see what happens. I'm going to adjust the hue a little bit. I'm gonna adjust the SAT. Oh, this is where some colors come in. All right. So the colors can be more fine-tuned and adjusted on the app. I'll do a later video walking you through the app, how to set up the colors, that kind of thing. For now, this is just an initial impressions, just to give you an idea of what this thing looks like and what it can do. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, there's red. So these were the already set presets. So it looks like they went ahead and did it for us, where there is a kind of a white light, a red light, a blue light. But right here is where the screen is there. Those are the presets. And this is the Kelvin adjustment. What I want to do is I want to put this light over there and shine it on my face so that you can see what it does and how it lights me up. All right, so here it is on my face. Obviously this is way too bright. This is a pretty different look. It's so bright that it's blocking out kind of all of what's going on here, but with some adjustment, I think we can make it better. Let's see. This is with the diffuser on it, and I gotta say, this is cool. Like, I really like, initial impressions, I really like what this light can do, because it's giving me a few more options than what I had before with the big Favatech light, which was just a big mass of diffused light, where this can be something way more precise. So I'm loving it so far. I'm gonna experiment with a couple of more different things. Again, link in the description below if you wanna check it out for yourself. Initial impressions, really like it. Highly recommend that you check it out. This is with the diffuser back on, but the intensity up a little bit. Again, so far, there is just a lot that can be said about this light. It's very cool. I'm pretty pumped to get started using it, because I think I can do a lot more with it to make my videos seem that much more impressive because of how well they are lit. What you can't do in content, you can make up for in visuals. So check out the light, links in the description. See you in the next video.